Yo guys, what's up? Back with another video. Today I am going to be doing some metal detecting. So first, we gotta go outside, get the metal detector. This metal detector that I have, well, we have, is not very good. I mean, it detects stuff, because I found two things already with it. It's not to mess around, make sure it worked. It's not mine, it's my little cousin's. So, yeah, I'll see you guys when I get over there. Alright guys, we're back. Well, we got a little froggy. Oh yeah, a little froggy. He's huge, but we're Sky now, and we'll take this frog back over to his home.
My cat almost got him.
Yeah.
Well, he did.
So we're gonna.
But he's not dead.
We're gonna take him and free him over in the ditch over here. So
Little, like,
I'll be back when we get over there. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna let him go. Come on, get going. There.
Bye. Make sure he's like...
Alright, now we're gonna go do some metal detecting, so let's get going.
Should have brought the metal detector with us.
Yeah, we probably should have.
Huh?
So, yeah, we probably should have.
I can stand on that thing, but I just can't.
Alright, well, alright guys, we're back. Now we're doing the searching. Oh. This is gonna be... Sometimes this thing just freaking goes off on its own. Alright, so it's going off on metal.
Is that metal?
Yeah,
It's wood.
there's screws in it. It's in here.
It's in that little thing.
Come on, Sky.
Sorry.
Right there it is. Oh. It's a drill bit. Stick it in a drill. Oh, that's a pretty cool find. We'll put that in. There was our first find with a drill bit. Well, not our first find. First find on the video. Right here.
Don't mind my slipper.
Alright.
Yeah, it's 7 o'clock in the back that I'm wearing slippers. We should check over here. I'm always riding my 4-wheel over this way. It should be stuff. I'm always losing parts.
Grab a shovel.
What?
What? So go lay it over on the driveway. Oh, come on, you're just going off.
Where was it?
I don't know. It's just going off. And if, like I said before, if you guys like these videos, the metal detecting videos, leave in the comments, and I will get my own metal detector, and I will start traveling to places and metal detect and record for you. with an actual metal detector. I don't even know if we're...
Probably a beetle.
Oh, it's right there. Junk.
Well, we just found something.
Always gotta be junk. No gold. Look out.
Yeah, gotta find stupid junk.
Yeah.
We should go check over by where the tie-dye is.
Alright guys, we're gonna go to a different spot, so see you when we... Hey guys, we're back to a different spot now, so we're gonna check in here. I hope you guys can still see. I don't know if it's too dark out for the camera or not. I haven't checked by a road before, so if cars gone by and...
We should go check by the mailbox.
You won't know how to dig.
Huh?
You won't be able to dig. You want to grab the shovel? What? Okay. Huh. Still in there?
Don't know.
Here, watch out. Ground. Just don't get too close, because that one zooms in on it.
We're basically digging up my yard for no reason. Aren't we?
Pretty much.
I told you.
Alright.
Not
Alright guys, it's getting a little late here, so what I'm gonna search for maybe a couple more minutes. I'm gonna hit this area here and probably just back a little ways, and if we don't find anything, I'm just gonna end the video there and show you some. We're gonna finish it up here. I'm gonna go over here where I said and look over this right here. What? Yeah, break that open. Get in trouble.
That would be funny though.
No, it wouldn't. Want to go back and grab the other finding?
Are we finding?
Yeah. Well, no, bring them out on the front porch. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video there. So, like I've said, if you guys like these videos, I'll definitely do more of them. Leave in the comments if you guys want to see more. I will go to different places. I'll get permission and go to different places and get my own metal detector. This is not mine. That was hers. It's not my shovel either. But I will get all that stuff. If you guys really want me to, if you guys really enjoy these, I will for sure do more. One year I did one up that way. I found some pretty cool things, so I want to go back up there, but I'll get that video going for you guys too if you guys want to see more. So let me know in the comments and see if it's boring. And I am